Brother asked the question that is it possible to implement the Islamic Sharia in a multiracial country? Why not? Any racial, multiracial, single racial. So do you mean to say that robbing a non-Muslim is allowed? Even if you rob a Muslim, you chop off his hand. If a Muslim robs a non-Muslim, also you chop off his hand. It is not only for in the Muslim country, any country, whether multiracial or single racial, it is the most practical law.
I believe in that, but what happens to those who don't believe?
What happens to those who don't believe? You make them believe. If it's an Islamic state, if you say it's an Islamic country, if they want to live in the country, they have to follow the Islamic laws. If you don't call it an Islamic state, and then you want to change it different. That is the reason if you agree this is Islamic country means the constitution of Allah and His Rasul. If you say Islamic country means you should follow Quran and Sunnah. You cannot have another constitution. The constitution is Quran is the Hadith is they don't have to have a new constitution. Like in Saudi Arabia, they don't have a new constitution. It is there. It is already there. That Quran and Hadith is there. You can't change the Quran. You don't write a tafsir of the Quran, no? So, based on this, the Sharia, you should know the maqasid of the Sharia. What are the reasons? What are the laws? And believe me, at the time of Hazrat Umar, may Allah be pleased with him, at his time, the Muslims were secured. If a non-Muslim stays in a Muslim country, what do? They have to give a jizya. Jizya means they have to pay a small tax for protection. When a war takes place, it is the duty of every Muslim that they should fight for the Islamic country, irrespective whether they are a doctor or an engineer or a lawyer. But if a non-Muslim is there, the non-Muslim need not fight. If someone tells me, you give a small tax of few hundred ringgit every year, or maybe 10 ringgit every year, you don't have to fight, I'll be very happy. If someone protects my life and my house and asks me to give a few ringgit a year, I would love it. So the jizya tax was very small. And there are some cases where the non-Muslim fought. When they fought, they were given the jizya back. But for the Muslim, it is fard. So there are laws laid down which are equal, and even their lives are protected. You ask a non-Muslim, if I ask a non-Muslim, that you're living in a country, an Islamic country, if someone rapes your mother and the rapist gets a death penalty, would you like that? Or living in USA that, okay, no problem, you know, in USA, if anyone rapes, the chances that it's reported is 16%. Out of those reported, only 10% are arrested, 1.6. Out of those arrested, 50% are let free before the trial. Only 0.8% undergo a trial. And though the law says 7 years rigorous imprisonment if you rape, most of them the judge gives only 1 year, first time is done. So that means 0.8% chances you'll get a punishment. That means 125 rapes you commit, chances you'll be punished is 1. It's a very good gamble. So would you like to stay in such a country, or country when someone rapes your mother, he gets capital punishment? So even the non-Muslims, if you are told to them what the law is, how Islam, they love it. Unfortunately, we don't know how to present Islam. We are not doing our job as dais. And believe me, the non-Muslim love, that's the reason non-Muslims that are watching Peace TV. Peace TV, alhamdulillah, is the largest watched religious channel in the world. Peace TV English has a viewership of 100 million. And 25% of the people watching Peace TV are non-Muslims. Now, so the non-Muslims are appreciating Islam so much that many of the governments are afraid. Many non-Muslim governments are afraid that Peace TV is getting popular, therefore I'm having problems entering many countries. So you present Islam in the nice way and they accept it. The people will like it, the government will not like it. The people will like it. So therefore Islam present with hikmah and husna, you present Islam and you will feel, mashallah, people loving this religion. Hope that answers the question.